Sufyan from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I am your big air conditioner.
MashaAllah. May Allah Azza wa Jal promote you to a central air conditioning, inshallah.
Sheikh, I have a question about Lailatul Qadr. We all know that Lailatul Qadr is a single night, and that night is better than 1,000 months, and that comes at the end of the Ramadan. But there is one day gap between India and Saudi Arabia. If Saudi Arabia has odd nights, India has even nights, then how it is possible to get both country Lailatul Qadr in a single odd night?
First of all, Laylatul Qadr is not necessarily in odd nights. And this was proven by Sheikh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah. Because in some hadiths, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, said, detect Laylatul Qadr for 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 nights remaining. And we don't know what's remaining until the month is over. So this means that Laylatul Qadr could be on odd number of nights, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, or it can be on even number of nights, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, depending whether the month is 29 days or 30 days. So by this, alhamdulillah, we have no confusion. Number 2, don't worry about Laylatul Qadr because Allah, the Almighty, only knows it. So if you're in India or in Saudi Arabia or in Canada, as long as you're doing your level best in the last 10 nights, I guarantee you 100% that you will attain Laylatul Qadr without any doubt, and Allah knows best.